Hello everyone, I am Ashim Nayak. Today I will be enlightening some of the focus on topic cloud. So friends, let's start. Basically, what is cloud? Cloud is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking to offer faster innovation, flexible resources and economics of scale. For example, you can take Gmail, Yahoo and Hotmail. Next, we will move on to cloud components. It has three parts: client computers, distributed servers, and data center. So first, we will move on to client server. A client is a piece of computer hardware or software that accesses a service made available by server as part of client server model of computer networks. There are many types of clients as mobile, tablet, navigation devices as these are located on another system which are accessible by another network. Next, we will move on to data center. So what is a data center? It is a facility made up of networked computers, storage system, and computing infrastructure that businesses and organizations use to organize, process, store large amount of data, like for example, backup power system and managed power distribution. The third one, distributed servers. So what is distributed server? It is an architecture where multiple clouds are used to meet compliance needs, performance requirements, or support edge computing while being centrally managed from the public cloud provider. Example, intranet, internet, and etc. So let's now discuss about cooling systems. What are the cooling systems? Using a computer room air handler is a popular way to combine liquid and air cooling, but now new emerging technologies like Microsoft's are used to cooling data center servers and driving evaporative cooling technology. Friends, now move on to central server. What is a central server? A central server administrates the system, monitoring traffic and client demands to ensure everything runs smoothly. It is generally a physical or virtual server that exists on premise or within a hosting facility using equipment you lease or own. I hope everything is understood till now. Let's start with service models. It provides services in three different models. First one is SaaS, software as service. It is actually a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on a subscription basis and is centrally hosted. So moving on to the second one, it is PaaS, platform as service. It is a complete deployment and development environment in cloud with resources that enables our resources that deliver everything from simple cloud based apps to cloud enabled enterprises. Third one is IaaS, infrastructure as services. It is service model by means of which computer resources as hosted in public, private or hybrid cloud. It offers essential compute storage and networking resources on demand on a pay as you go basis. So now let's discuss about deployment of cloud services. It deploys in four ways: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. So let's understand what public cloud is. Okay. It is known as services offered by third-party providers over public internet, making them available to anyone who wants to use as purchase them. Example, Microsoft Azure. Second one is private cloud. It is single tenant environment, meaning the organization using it does not share resources with other users. Example, HP data center. Third one is community cloud. It refers to a shared cloud computing service environment that is targeted to a limited set of employees, such as banks or head of trading firms. So fourth one is hybrid cloud, or we can say it combined cloud. It is one in which applications are running in a combination of different environments. These approaches are widespread because almost no one today relies entirely on public cloud. So friends, now let's come to why our cloud service is so popular. Okay, these are some of the advantages. Like it reduces the complexity of networks. It doesn't gives us a widespread of networks. It reduces our networks to a minimum area. So and we second point is we don't have to buy those software licenses to operate these. Okay, and these are customization. This is the basic feature. Cloud providers that have specialized in a particular area, such as email, can bring advanced services that a single company might not be able to afford or develop, and information at the cloud are not easily lost. As we have discussed the advantages of cloud computing, let's now focus on the drawbacks of cloud computing. It is like technology vulnerabilities, especially on shared environments. It is much more vulnerable on shared platforms, denial of service attacks, and it can be also hijacked. Our information are not much as secure as we think on the cloud. So let's friends discuss about cloud printing. It is a service that allows user to print from any device on the network like laptop, tablets, workstation with printer via another network. So lastly, we are going to discuss how the cloud computing is related to business. Okay, it describes the way we stand and access our data through internet connection. It allows businesses to access their information virtually, creating a flexible global way of accessing the information and data. It also helps in storing the information in a vast device. So, friends, let's wrap up this topic, cloud computing, with a short conclusion. I would like to summarize by coming at the point. Cloud computing is a recently new technological development that has potential to have great impact on the world. For example, some of the benefits that it provides to business, that is reduces operating cost by spending less on the maintenance and by focusing more on the business itself. But there are other challenges too, like cloud computing must overcome the means barriers. People are very skeptical about whether data is secure and private. So thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.